Yo, my people. So I just want to go through some analysis. Last week's analysis I gave from 2 weeks ago, basically 6th of September. I put some analysis out. Markets have been pretty slow this week as far as I'm concerned. Things have taken quite a while to actually play out. But as you know, in trading, it's all about patience. Welcome to the channel. So I'm just basically getting Sunday market breakdown ready for the VIP members. And just going to go into this chart, basically see how this one played out. This was the 6th of September. It's basically done exactly what was anticipated. As you can see, I anticipated right shoulder coming, and it gave us that right shoulder. I'm now looking at marking out a chart for some rejection, I guess, in this type of area in order for price to then start pushing down with some weakness on the US dollar again. Equity market should be rising as well. Oh, so I'm gonna go to the Euro USD because that was the first trade post. Actually, I want to share this with you as well. This is my USD CAD. Posted this in a free channel. Also posted this on TradingView. 6th of September. It's only just started playing out last week, but this has been pretty much zigzaggy, up, down, up, down. But this was also a really good trade. We had a lot of impulse correction. My first analysis was basically from here. When price broke below, I then had to reanalyze, refine the analysis, and actually caught this trade, managed to catch this one right at the bottom. This is basically should still play out, but with the US dollar, it's going to take a while. We'll see. I'm anticipating a lot of weakness on the US dollar, so I don't actually think this is going to make it to the full TP, but this was also another good trade. Right, so we've got quite a few trades that played out anyway. I'll just run through a couple of them quickly. I may have reanalyzed a few of them because some of them I had really tight stop losses, and some of them never actually made the part. But I mean, this is another brilliant trade. Euro JPY. This trade here was also given on the 6th of September. Loads of pips on that. That was a really good trade given that. That was for the VIP members. A GJ as well. I think this one actually hit the stop loss just by a couple of pips, but I mean, this was another great trade. Had I have just gave the stop loss a few more, maybe 1 or 2 pips, I would have got in this trade. But actually, I managed to get an entry on the break of the trend line, which was pretty good anyway. Price pulled back, dropped, but it was only a small lot, so it didn't really affect the account much. Let's see, NZD-JPY also gave this was another stubborn trade. This one took a while to play, but obviously, as you can see, we're still playing in this one, still involved, so things are going pretty well with this. The CAD JPY, this was an amazing trade. This is an amazing trade. This one hasn't finished playing out fully, but as you can see, it's kind of spot on, so yeah, anyway, back to the Euro USD and the DXY, because those were the initial trades I wanted to share and speak about today. So the Euro USD short, 6th of September, we posted this one. This one done exactly as anticipated, and it's almost played out to give us the inverse of the head and shoulders pattern, which is playing out very nice. So I'm going to go to DXY. This is my updated analysis for the week. For DXY, I'm expecting maybe a little bit more strength. I think with this head and shoulders pattern, we may actually have an extended right shoulder, which does happen. It does happen sometimes, take out stop losses, liquidity grab, whatever, so on and so forth. But I do believe we may come up to this point of interest. If you look to the left, you can see there's definitely a point of interest here. So market may come to here and wick, maybe spike before it drops. We just have to wait and see, but I am anticipating some weakness on the DXY from this point onwards down. I'll be watching for a break, and on the break of that, I'll then be buying Euro USD. Haven't actually done any analysis update on Euro USD yet, which I will do next. But just wanted to kind of get this video out there and do a second video for the channel with regards to market breakdown. and yeah, how we get prepared for taking some of these trades in the VIP. So here we go. We had another, just obviously the inverse of the DXY. It's how we caught the Euro USD trade all the way down. It's given us quite a lot of pips on this trade. So far, it's given us 137 pips. My initial target was 150 pips. And I do think it's still going to hit that target from this point onwards. As you can see, I was looking at the chart last week at some point and I put some buy order here. So at this point, I will be looking to buy the market once the market comes to here. But however, the market could extend to this area, which then I'll come back and reevaluate my charts for an entry on Euro USD. But yeah, that's pretty much the update for the Euro USD, basically. Let's have a little look at DXY one more time. So this is basically what I'm going to be watching come market open. I'm going to post a trade for this in the trading view, and I'll also post it in a free channel, and then I'll post the rest of the setups into the VIP. But yeah, thank you for stopping by and watching my video, and do like and subscribe. I'm going to be posting a lot more content. I'm just not used to kind of, doing these recordings and these types of videos, but it's the first time for everything. So I'm sure I'll get better at it, and the quality of the videos will be a lot better as well. Thank you guys. I'll see you again soon.